Hi guys, it's Chris here from SomeBloke who travels a lot, and today we are in Rio, and probably my highlight of my trip to Brazil, my visit to Christ the Redeemer. My trip started as yours should, on an organised trip. Now, I arranged mine through my hotel, but however you arrange yours, check the reviews on TripAdvisor for the company you're using. You do not want to be booking with an illegal company either online or on the street. Coach picked me up from my hotel on Copacabana beach, and after a few other hotel pickups we headed to our first stop on the tour, Cosme Velho. Now, out of the window you can see Rio is fascinating, but I for one was a lot happier to see that from my coach window. At Cosme Velho you'll find a quiet little train station from a bygone time. This is the beautiful way to the top, and the easiest, especially if you compare it to hiking, which is an option on many tours. At the end of our train journey, don't be intimidated by the steps to the top. Christ the Redeemer is fully accessible, and there are lifts, elevators, even escalators. You can get to the top regardless of mobility. Now, I chose the steps, and the walk and the views were very much worth it. Now, at the top there are two factors. Number one, people. So you will have to be patient to get your perfect shot or selfie. The second, and by far the most significant, is the weather. A cloudy day is a very different experience to a clear day. On my trip, I had both. So at some point, the clouds cleared. I was up there for about 30 minutes, and then eventually, this is slightly speeded up here, I think 8 times speeded up, but eventually the clouds cleared, and to be honest, I think that is the best way to see Christ the Redeemer. I don't know, I've only been once, but when the clouds clear, you see the smile on my face, and we start to see the statue in all its glory, after you've seen it for 20 minutes, half an hour, in the clouds. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my little trip to the top. As I said, if you are booking this, book through your hotel, book through an organised guide that you have checked out online. Hope that's useful. If so, those thumbs up and likes are most appreciated. And if you want to see my travels from all over the world, been to 6 continents, you might like to consider subscribing. It is free, of course, and you would be more than welcome. Thanks very much for watching, and happy travels.